Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we see hypertensive disorders in pregnancy, that is preeclampsia. Preeclampsia means it is a syndrome. Syndrome means group of disease. Syndrome of multiple organ dysfunction. It is peculiar to the pregnant state. It is usually manifest for a first time beyond the 20th week and is characterized by appearance of hypertension to an extent of 140 by 90 mm of Hg or more, and proteinuria. Proteinuria means protein in urine and with or without pathological edema. Edema, pitting edema, when we press, there is a depression over the ankles after 12 hours bed rest, and that is a mild sign of preeclampsia. Proteinuria, presence of protein in 24 hours of urine, zero point 0.3 or more. Etiopathogenesis. In preeclampsia, there is a endothelial dysfunction and vasospasm. Vasospasm म्हणजे blood vessels contraction. Deficiency of vasodilator. Endothelial dysfunction and vasospasm is due to deficiency of vasodilation and the increase of vasoconstrictor. Increase the quantity of vasoconstrictor. Prostaglandin, angiotensinase, nitric acid, VEGF, prostacyclin, PGI2 are the deficiency of vasodilator, so they don't dilate blood vessels. Potent vasoconstrictor that constrict blood vessel, that is thromboxane TXA2, angiotensin 2, endothelin 1, tissue necrosis factor alpha, interleukin 6, lipid peroxidase, ROS, superoxide radical, SFLT1, endoglin are the potent vasoconstrictor. In preeclampsia, there is a deficiency of vasodilator and increased potent constrictor. Endothelial dysfunction may raise the following problem in pregnancy, that is increased capillary permeability. This manifests as ascites, that is fluid store in the peritoneal cavity, pulmonary edema, proteinuria, pleural effusion, activation of coagulation system, thrombocytopenia means decrease the platelet count, DIC. DIC means disseminated intravascular coagulation. Help means hemolysis, elevated liver enzyme, low platelet count, visual disturbances, retinal hemorrhage. Alarming symptoms म्हणजे sign which are very severe, that is required treatment in hospital management, that is a headache, disturbed sleep, oligouria means less urine formation, that is 400 400 ml per 24 hours, epigastric pain, eye symptoms, that is blurring, scomata म्हणजे black spot that appear on the retina, complications in fetus, IUGR, intrauterine growth retardation. That is because there is a vasoconstriction, so the sufficient amount of blood supply cannot reach to the placenta. That's why there is a restricted growth of uterus. Asphyxia, there is due to obstruction, thrombocytopenia, there is coagulations in blood vessels, so there is stop the supply of blood vessel. That's why fetus cannot get sufficient amount of oxygen, nutrition, so it suffer from the asphyxia means there is difficulty in breathing. Preterm labor means labor before 37 weeks. placental abruption म्हणजे means there is breaking of placenta and hemorrhage of the placenta. Prophylactic measures, regular antenatal checkup, exercise, physical activity and stretching, calcium supplementation 2 gram per day for hypertension, antioxidant like vitamin C, vitamin E, nutritional supplementation with magnesium, zinc, fish oil, low salt diet, balanced diet which rich in protein, rest, left lateral position to lessen the effect of vena cava compression. Definitive treatment of preeclampsia is a delivery. Preeclampsia may be severe or non-severe. First line antihypertensives used in preeclampsia and eclampsia, that is labetalol, hydralazine, nifedipine. Labetalol, hydralazine, nifedipine. Eclampsia, complication of preeclampsia characterized by grand mal seizure. Preeclampsia, how to distinguish preeclampsia and eclampsia? Preeclampsia, it is after 20th week and there is presence of proteinuria and edema. In eclampsia, it is a later phase of preeclampsia. If we do not treat preeclampsia, then mother suffer from the eclampsia and it characterized by grand mal seizure. That is, there is a convulsion, fits. Convulsion fits. Convulsions has got four stages: premonitory, tonic, clonic, coma. Premonitory, tonic, clonic, coma. MgSO4, magnesium sulfate, is a first line of treatment for eclampsia that cure anticonvulsant therapy. 4 to 7 milliequivalent per liter IV magnesium sulfate should be given. That is whole about hypertensive disorder in pregnancy. Thank you.